The Tactix MT94 is a multi-wear, multi-threat garment that provides vapor, liquid, and FR protection to police, fire, and emergency personnel for chemical biological terrorism incidents and hazardous materials emergencies. The MT94 must be worn and used properly to optimize its protective performance. It is important to practice proper donning and doffing before employing the MT94 during an actual incident. This video will instruct you on the correct techniques for donning and doffing the MT94. First, familiarize yourself with the components of the MT94 ensemble. The attached hood guards your head and neck against exposure. There is a strap on the back of the hood for fit adjustment. It has a hook and loop closure. The opening of the hood has a butyl seal that interfaces with the facepiece of your breathing apparatus. The technical data package that comes with your MT94 has a listing of breathing apparatus certified to work with the garment. The glove system features an inner and outer glove. The inner glove is attached to the MT94 through a series of gaskets and O-rings. It provides limited chemical and biological protection to your hands and wrists. The outer glove is worn over the inner glove. It offers limited protection from debris and flash fire. It also guards against cuts and abrasions. You must wear both the inner and outer gloves together to comply with NFPA 1994 Class II and NFPA 1992 standards. The MT94's closure system is located on the back of the garment below the shoulders. It is engaged with a zipper garment closure and flaps secured by hook and loop. Attached booties provide chemical and biological protection. They are worn inside your ensemble-certified outer boots. Refer to your technical data package for specific boot models certified to work with the MT94. Integrated suspenders are located inside the garment. They are sewn to the back of the MT94's waistline and engage with thermoplastic clips attached at the waistline in the front. Take-up straps are located at the waist on the outer shell of the MT94. They enable you to adjust the fit of the garment. The arm and leg cuffs have adjustable straps with hook and loop closures. For optimum protection, wear underclothing that is certified to meet NFPA 1975 standards. At a minimum, wear a short sleeve shirt, long pants or long underwear, and cotton socks. Before donning the MT94, remove footwear and all personal effects that might damage the garment. For example, pens, badges, jewelry, and watches all have the potential to abrade or puncture the MT94 and compromise its protective performance. Always have other trained personnel available to help you don the garment. Begin by unfastening the closure and holding the garment open. Step into the MT94 from the back and work your feet all the way into the attached booties. Pull the coverall to your waist. Locate the thermoplastic couplers in the front. Pull the suspenders over your shoulders and engage the couplers. Gently pull the cuffs of your pant legs up as far as you can and step into your protective boots. Pull the leg wells down over the top of your boots and tighten them with the adjustable strap. Put on your SCBA or APR face mask and adjust it for a secure fit. Then, place your arms into the sleeves and work your fingers all the way into the attached inner gloves. Put on your outer gloves and tuck the gauntlet into the sleeve well. Cinch the sleeve cuff strap over the outer gloves. Pull the upper portion of the coverall over your head and onto your body. It works best if you tilt your head back and look up as you pull the hood onto your head. Have trained personnel assist you with securing the MT94's face piece gasket to your face piece. Adjust the gasket by tilting your head back and looking upward. Start under your chin and work around both sides of the facepiece to the top. Make sure the hood's butyl gasket lays flat against the facepiece. Pull the zipper across the back to about 3/4 of the closure length. Perform a deep knee bend to purge excess air from the MT94. Adjust all straps on the garment. Then, zip the closure the remaining way. Pull the flap over the zipper and secure the hook and loop closure on the flap. Don your SCBA according to the manufacturer's instructions. Check the leg cuffs of your MT94. They should be no less than 2 inches and no more than 5 inches from the ground. Before entering a hazardous area, have a partner inspect your interface areas for proper overlap and make sure all closures are secured properly. Never remove any component of the MT94 until you're certain that you're safely out of the hazard area. If the garment has been exposed to hazardous chemicals, employ appropriate decontamination procedures before removing the garment. An unexposed MT94 can be washed and worn up to 5 times. After the emergency operation and decontamination is complete, it is important to ventilate your body as quickly as possible to cool it. Unharness and remove your SCBA, but maintain your air supply until the garment is fully doffed. Have trained personnel unzip the back closure. Once the zipper is opened, an assistant should carefully break the rubber-to-rubber facepiece seal at one point. Then, the assistant should separate the butyl seal on the MT94 from the facepiece by putting pressure on the mask. Now, pull the upper portion of the coverall over the top of your head. Remove your arms and hands from the gloves and sleeves. Remove your outer footwear. Then, unfasten the suspenders and step out of the garment. Remove the facepiece of your SCBA or APR. If your MT94 has been exposed to hazardous chemicals, avoid any contact with contaminated parts. If applicable, have the garment fully decontaminated, washed, and visually inspected. If decontamination procedures are not applicable, dispose of the garment in a safe manner. See cleaning and decontamination inspection procedures in your user instruction, safety, and training guide. Lay the MT94 flat with the hood opening facing up. Fold the hood down, then fold in the arms. Fold the pant legs at the knee and hips. Now, fold the garment in half. Store your MT94 in a dark, dry, well-ventilated room. If you have any questions regarding its use, contact your safety officer or Lion Apparel.